Okay, so after about a 6-hour drive, we got to the Kruger cliffs, which is this place. We are here for the weekend since it's a long weekend in South Africa, and my wife is pregnant and due on the 1st of December. Super excited. We thought, let's get away for the weekend, let's get to the bush, and yeah, let me show you where we're at. This is the kitchen area. Let's have a look quickly. Let's swing this thing around. It's better. Here we go. Kitchen. And this behind me, this is the really cool part. We head out onto the deck. How cool is this? So this is actually quite a cool bed. It's got the mosquito netting that you'll probably need when there's mosquitoes. And what's really cool is that there's a sliding door on this side that also opens up, that heads out to the little pool, which is amazing. There it is. So awesome, totally psyched to be here. So as we get to all the touristy spots, I'll show you guys what they're like. But so far, super happy with this accommodation, and I'll leave the link in the description if you want to come this way and want to stay at these cottages. We had a spot called Burke's Potholes or something along those lines. I will list the spot below. Just flew my drone out here and no one stopped me, so I figured it's alright. So yeah, awesome little spot. It's amazing how these potholes form in these rocks, all on a natural level. Look, I'm no geologist, but I can see this is kind of special. Good morning. Starting the day with a coffee, and we've got some friends coming later, so he might ask his girlfriend to marry him, so that's quite exciting, and I'm going to bring you along for the ride, so enjoy. This is my third coffee for the morning already, and today we're heading out to Lisbon Falls. Let's go. So it's a walk down to the falls. I don't know if you can see it over there, flipping amazing. So I'm gonna mission down there, take 1 or 2 photos, and then come back. They said on the way down, I read on the website that you should wear shoes with quite a bit of traction. They were not joking when they said that. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Lisbon Falls. Don't get me wrong, the falls was excellent, but now for this hike back. apparently there's an easy way to get down to the waterfalls and the hard way. Naturally, to begin, I chose the hard way to come down, so believe you me, let's adjust this. I'm taking the easy way back. Got something to talk about. I just crashed my drone. The one arm is completely broken. The gimbal is in, how they say in French, it's fucked. Yes, and I'm super bummed. It was totally my fault. As I was trying to get the shot of the car moving as we were driving along that awesome route, I reversed the drone because we were going too slow, and obviously I reversed it. I crashed it into the trees. So this is our last stop for the day at the Blyde River Canyon, one of my bucket list destinations that I've always wanted to come to.
Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things.
Okay, so I've got my buddy Carl here. Carl, how does it feel to be engaged?
Feels good.
Congrats, buddy.
Done and dusted.
Flippin' awesome stuff, man.
Thanks to you. Thanks for your effort.
Awesome location.
Great,
Good call.
great. Perfect.
Love it.
Perfect.
We've
Perfect.
been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going. No drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. Flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces.
Cool 40 degrees and I'm wearing pants because I didn't bring shorts, so yeah, that was clever.
When we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh,
time here has come to an end. Goodbye, beautiful view.
I know we're acting stupid.